Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello, my dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. However, today we'll learn the pattern on how to fill up the gap of a passage with some types of parts of speech. So at first we have to be introduced with the meaning of some parts of speech. That means this question is for vocabularies. If you are enriched with vocabularies, that means if your vocabulary is enriched, you must be able to complete this kind of question. This question is for 5 marks. This question is for 5 marks. So at first we have to know the meaning of some parts of speech which may suit these gaps of this passage. Let's start. On budget, have, careful, through, use, necessary, follow, answer, carefully, begins, have. So when you will enter this topic, you have to try your best to know the big meanings of this passage. That means you have to know the meanings of each part of this passage. Students means Shikhatri, should is a modal verb, be is a principal verb, strategic is an adjective, about is a preposition, there is a possessive pronoun, examination is a noun, it is the pronoun of impersonal noun, is a verb, for is a preposition of which meaning is jonne, and is an article, this is indefinite article, examining, this is a noun, that means Purikhatri, to, infinitive to, after this to, the base form of principal verb will be set up, to এর পরে মূল ভার্বের always base form হয়, some is an adjective, distractions is a noun in the plural form, he is a pronoun, should is a modal verb, go is principal verb, the is definite article, whole adjective, question, noun, before preposition, he, pronoun, to, infinitive, right, mool verb, that is principal verb, he, pronoun, must, modal verb, make, principal verb, a, indefinite article, of, preposition, his, possessive pronoun, time, is a noun, so that, is, in conjunction, he, is a pronoun, can, is a modal verb, enough, is an adjective, time, is a noun, to, is an adjective preposition, answer, is a noun or principal verb, questions, noun in the plural form, he is a pronoun, must is a modal verb, right is a principal verb, his is a possessive pronoun, answer is a noun, he, pronoun, should, modal verb, be, principal verb, about, preposition, his, possessive pronoun, handwriting is an adjective or noun, he, pronoun, can, modal verb, double, adjective, spacing, noun, if, conjunction, his, possessive pronoun, handwriting, adjective or noun is principal verb tiny, adjective or conjunction very, adverb large, adjective. So like this array, we have to try your best to know the meanings of each part of speech written in this passage. Students should be strategic. Students should be strategic. Students is a noun in plural form, should be. After modal verb, if you add be, that means can be, could be, maybe, shall be, should be, etc. After this, you have to use an adjective or principal verb in the past person form. So, strategic is an adjective because after this part of speech we are noticing a preposition about. That means after modal verb can be, could be, shall be, should be, dot dot preposition, then we have to use here adjective. That means strategic is an adjective. So students is a noun in the plural form, should be is a modal verb, be is a principal verb, strategic adjective. So students should be strategic. শিক্ষার্থীদের কৌশলী হওয়া উচিত about their examination, তাদের পরীক্ষার বিষয়ে, তাদের পরীক্ষা বিষয়ে। So next, it is a pronoun, is principal, it is dash for examining, it is. So what kinds of participials from the boxes will be set up here? It is dash for and examining. Actually it is dash for, already I have told you that after noun, modal verb, adjective and preposition. Follow me. This is noun, is verb, for is a preposition. So here adjective will be used. Here adjective will be used. So which one of those is adjective? Basit, follow, answer carefully. Careful begins through use have necessary. Here adjective is a necessary. So participial necessary will be used here. No, here is necessary. Yes, it is necessary for an examining. এটা একজন পরীক্ষার্থীর জন্য খুবই দরকার। to dash to. This is infinitive to. That means after this to we have to use a principal verb. To dash some. To dash some. To all not verb. Budget is not a verb. Have is a verb. Careful, no. True, yes, true. This is preposition use. Use is a verb. So to use. To follow some instructions, to use some instructions. If our answer gets changed, the meaning of the sentence will be automatically changed. So we should not change any participials from any sentence. To use some instructions. Some is an adjective and instruction is a noun. After adjective, the position of noun is taken. He should go dash the whole question. তার উচিত সমগ্র প্রশ্নটি পড়া। So go through. Here go is such a principal verb will receive a preposition and that will be turned into verbal phrase. That will turn into verbal phrase. Go through. Go through. Go through means pora. Go through means lika pora kora or pora. That means he should go through. একজন শিক্ষার্থীর উচিত হবে পড়া the whole কোর্সের সমগ্র প্রশ্নটি whole this means here adjective question is a noun before he dash to write. Actually after noun and before preposition that may receive a verb before he begins since the pronoun is third person, so we have added yes or is after the principal verb. He begins to write. He must make অবশ্যই করে নেবে a budget একটি বন্টন a budget या budget B U D G E T budget budget of his time so that jate kore he can after modal verb we have to use a principal verb he can have enough time to answer dash question to answer questions. Actually here there is an object and there is a subject but there is no adverb, so all question here we can use all question. All is an adjective, question is a noun in plural form. He must write his answer after the sentence. The position may be taken for adverb carefully. That means he must write his answer. সে অবশ্যই তার উত্তরগুলো লিখবে carefully সতর্কতার সহিত. He should be dash about. We again got preposition like about, so here adjective that means careful. He should be careful about his handwriting. He can dash after modal verb we have to use principal verb. He can use double spacing. সে ডাবল স্পেস ব্যবহার করতে পারে if যদি his handwriting তার হাতে লেখা is tiny ক্ষুদ্র or very large অথবা খুব বড় হয়. So I will again say you that when you wish to complete these kinds of passages for vocabularies you have to have your sense about the meanings of different kinds of vocabularies. That means if you are interested in vocabularies and if you know the meanings of various vocabularies, no difficult will be felt by you to fulfill these kinds of gaps. So till today we are ending our class. In the next class I will discuss it again details. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.